Lauren video diary. I'm running through the White Sands National Park. March 10th, 2025. It is a Monday. Vinny and I, kind of a long story. We are traveling back to Wisconsin now, and we stopped in this town in Texas called Amarillo. We were going to stay there, but then we got there and realized, oh, it's kind of like icky here. We don't really like it. We ended up coming to Oklahoma. We drove 2.5 more hours and got to Clinton, Oklahoma, and we rented this little farm, basically. There's cows. They're out there. I'll take so many pictures and stuff of them. But this place is so cute, and the guy that owns it is so cute, and it was the right choice, even though it was a pain in the butt at the time to travel even farther than we already had. Like, there's a golf course down the road here. I don't know what else they have here, but I'm cool just chilling on this farm. And there's like a railroad back over in there. Super cool. I came outside and I just had this powerful nostalgic feeling of being back home during the springtime on the farm. We survived! Yes! Crazy, sketchy bridge. Not made of wood, like wood, but hung up on rope. That's what I'm talking about. Over a river. It was kind of awesome. And we had to go buy golf clubs from a pawn shop in town. We're in Clinton, Oklahoma, because the guy said they don't have any to rent here. So we're having an adventure. Adventure! Oklahoma. We drove about 5 hours. Well, Vinny drove. I didn't drive today. And we're in Kansas now. And we're in Kansas now, which is funny. It's really hot here. It's like 80 degrees. So I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. Found this little beach park situation. We were both super grumpy after we got here. I'm not sure if it was because we hadn't eaten and drank enough food on the road, or we're just like annoyed with the traveling aspect, being cooped up in the car. But I think this is a good choice to come here and reset a little bit in nature. So yeah, lovely. Should I do it? Should I do it? I don't want to. This water is like really pretty. Wow. How high does the Snooky! Oh no! I hope that was a water snake, but I don't know if it was. No. No. Oh. Oh. See how they just duck under those leaves? That's their home. And that's crazy. And very cool. Hey, it's March 14th, Friday, 2025. There is a high wind warning today. And it's also a full moon, blood moon, which is sick. But we were just stopped at this trailhead. We're on our way back to Wisconsin. We stopped here to just stretch our legs, walk around. And all of a sudden, we're like a little ways down the trail. It starts gusting wind super, super hard. And some trees start falling down around us, which was terrifying. So we're leaving. We're leaving right now. Goodbye. Hello, it's March 15th, Saturday, 2025. We're just waking up here. I got some coffee. We're going on a hike and our final stop on our journey back to Wisconsin. We're in Hudson, Illinois. 3 hours to go. We got in about 9 p.m. last night, so we didn't get to see anything, but we woke up this morning. There's a beautiful pond in the backyard and all these hiking trails. So we're blessed. It's beautiful. Just saw some deer and wildlife. It's very cool. But we're gonna wrap up our hike here, get on the road home to the Wild Pea. See you there. Vinny, I had a dream that I dropped my phone into the ocean. Hello, Lawrence Diary, March 15th, Saturday. We've arrived back in Milwaukee. Our trip is complete. Come full circle. It's crazy, but we're here taking a walk by the lake.
You said come full circle as I did a circle with this.
Oh my god. That's good shit. That's pretty good. That's pretty funny.
What are those?
They're my hiking boots, bitch. Show your own shoes. You freaking ugly ass red, white, and blue Hokas
Clown
with
shoes.
neon yellow. You're not allowed to talk about my shoes. Anyway, we're home. Kind of. On Monday, we're going to see a house and see if we would like it, but we're both kind of thinking like maybe we'll stay in the apartment for a bit because it's fun being downtown. But we'll see. Tomorrow Sunday, I don't know what we'll do. Hang out, maybe bring your mom. And then Monday, I have an interview. Scared. That's all. Bye.